Everyone on the internet is talking about how AI is changing the game. People claiming they're making thousands every month using just their phones and free AI tools. So I decided to find out if it's real or just hype. I spent one full week testing 3 different AI side hustles. No fancy gear, no team, just my smartphone, my laptop, and pure hustle. By the end of this video, you'll see what worked, what failed, and which AI hustle you should start in 2025. Hey hustlers, welcome back to HustleIQ, the channel that shows you real side hustles that actually work in today's digital world. If you're serious about growing your income, learning smart digital skills, and staying ahead of the AI wave, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment AI hustle below so I'll know you're part of the HustleIQ family. All right, let's get into it. My first test was the famous faceless YouTube channel method. You've probably seen people say you can make hundreds of dollars without ever showing your face. So I used ChatGPT to write my video scripts, Pictory to generate the voice and visuals, and CapCut for editing. I created 3 videos in 5 days and posted them. The results? 214 views, 6 new subscribers, and a few positive comments. That might not sound huge, but for a brand new channel, it's a big win. What I learned is this: it's not about luck, it's about consistency. The AI tools make the process easier, but you still have to put in the work. So yes, the faceless YouTube method works, but only if you stay committed. Next, I went on Fiverr and decided to become an AI logo designer. I used Leonardo AI, Bing Image Creator, and Canva Pro to create stunning, unique logo samples. I listed them on Fiverr with catchy titles and mockups. Within 3 days, I got one message from a client who was impressed by my samples. That alone proved that there's a real market for AI-generated designs, especially for small businesses that can't afford expensive designers. The key lesson here: presentation matters. Your gig thumbnail, description, and samples should look professional. AI gives you the speed, but your creativity and branding sell the service. For the last one, I created an ebook using ChatGPT. My topic? How to start an AI side hustle in 2025. I used ChatGPT to generate the content, then edited it in Google Docs and designed the cover in Canva. The whole process took less than 3 hours. I uploaded it on Gumroad for 5 in 3 days. I got 1 sale, not crazy money, but that's passive income from work I did once. If I scale that to 10 ebooks, that's a full-time digital business waiting to happen. So after 1 full week of testing, here's how it went. 1. YouTube automation. Fun and creative, great for long-term growth. 2. AI logo design, quick startup, real clients are out there. 3. Ebook creation, fast, passive, and scalable. Here's the truth, hustlers: AI won't make you rich overnight, but it can save you time, multiply your output, and help you start a real business faster. The best part? Most of these tools are free or cheap, and you only need your smartphone to get started. So, which AI side hustle would you try first? Comment below. I'm reading every single reply. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs motivation, and don't forget to subscribe to HustleIQ for more weekly digital hustle videos. And remember, hustlers, don't just watch success online, create yours. See you in the next video.